A $100,900 legend with a tri-power 389 V8, a Muncie 4-speed, and the attitude that created the American muscle car era. This is the 1966 Pontiac GTO. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel because today we're taking a closer look at a true American muscle car icon, a machine that changed the automotive world forever. This is the 1966 Pontiac GTO, a beautifully restored classic that represents the golden age of horsepower, style, and raw driving excitement. When this GTO arrives, it doesn't simply enter the scene, it makes a statement. Finished in a stunning Burgundy Metallic exterior, this Pontiac captures the aggressive elegance that made the GTO one of the most desirable muscle cars of the 1960s. Every curve, every chrome detail, and every factory emblem tells the story of a time when cars were built with personality, when performance was measured by the sound of a powerful V8 and the feeling of shifting through gears yourself. The heart of this legendary machine is the iconic Pontiac 389 cubic inch V8 engine. This is not just any engine, it is one of the most famous power plants of the muscle car era. Sitting proudly under the hood is the legendary tri-power carburetor setup, featuring 3 two-barrel carburetors designed to deliver impressive airflow and performance. The moment those carburetors open up, this Pontiac delivers the kind of unforgettable acceleration and engine sound that made the GTO a street legend. The 389 V8 is paired with one of the most desirable transmissions a classic muscle car enthusiast could ask for, a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. This combination creates a pure driving experience that modern vehicles struggle to replicate. Every gear change feels connected, every acceleration run delivers excitement. This is a car built for enthusiasts who want to feel the machine working with them, not just ride along. Power is transferred through a Pontiac-style rear end featuring approximately 3.55. 1 gears and a limited slip differential. This setup gives the GTO strong performance from a stop while helping deliver confident power delivery on the road. Combined with the independent front suspension, factory-style suspension components, power steering, and power brakes, this GTO offers the perfect balance between classic muscle character and enjoyable drivability. The exterior design is where this Pontiac truly shines. The Burgundy Metallic paint gives the body a deep, premium appearance that highlights the GTO's iconic lines. Chrome accents surround the vehicle, creating the unmistakable look of a 1960s performance machine. The factory emblems, exterior trim, and factory-style taillights preserve the authentic Pontiac identity that collectors appreciate. The attention to detail continues underneath the car. A new gas tank, new dual exhaust system, factory replacement mufflers, new brake lines, painted floorboards, and a black painted frame demonstrate the quality and care behind this restoration. The underside reflects the same commitment to presentation as the exterior, giving this classic the confidence to be enjoyed on the road. Inside the cabin, the GTO delivers a perfect blend of vintage style and comfort. The interior features new factory-style door panels, fresh vinyl upholstery, front and rear seat belts, and a new black headliner. The center console adds to the sporty muscle car atmosphere, while the factory dashboard with wood accents provides the classic Pontiac cockpit experience. Behind the wheel, the driver is surrounded by details that make this car special. The tilt steering column provides additional comfort, the power windows add convenience, and the factory AM radio keeps the original character alive, even though it no longer functions. The trunk also includes the spare tire, maintaining the authentic classic car experience. The stance of this GTO is completed with Hurst Pontiac wheels and 14-inch tires front and rear. These wheels perfectly match the aggressive personality of the car while keeping the original muscle car appearance intact. Every angle shows why the GTO became one of the most recognizable names in automotive history. The 1966 Pontiac GTO was more than just a car. It was a symbol of freedom, performance, and American engineering creativity. It represented a generation that wanted excitement behind the wheel and created a legacy that continues to inspire collectors around the world. With a legendary 389 tri-power V8, a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, limited slip rear end, restored Burgundy Metallic body, and a beautifully finished interior, this GTO is a true collector-grade muscle car priced at $100,900. This 1966 Pontiac GTO represents a rare opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. It is not just a classic car, it is a time capsule of the muscle car revolution, a machine built with passion, performance, and a personality that still turns heads decades later. This is the 1966 Pontiac GTO, a legend that helped define an era and continues to prove why classic American muscle will never go out of style.